cooking bacon and grits. I don't eat bacon, so I'll just be eating grits. Oh, and she's gonna make eggs too. So yeah. Okay, hey y'all. So I'm about to give y'all a real update, I guess. Well, not a real update, but we're going out. So I'm gonna be able to show you what some places other than my house look like. So that should be fun. Hopefully nothing looks too bad. Hopefully the water's not too high. I do know that some people we know are flooded in. But yeah. So I will, I guess, be back when we're out. Right now I'm waiting for the previous vlog to upload. So that's what we're waiting on. But yeah. We're okay over here though. Praise the Lord. So just a little update. We are fine. Just limbs down and debris all over the road. But we're totally fine. So yes. Alright, see y'all later. Hey y'all, it's raining out here, but I guess y'all already knew that. Trying not to get my camera wet, but also, oh, it's very windy. Okay, sorry about, but see this one. Trying not to get my neighbor's house. They did nasty business.
You probably should have caught me.
Oh, you can't really tell. Okay, I'll be back later when it's a little bit more clear. So our limb, well, that's not ours, it's our neighbor's, but that fell. Just debris on the road. That's pretty much. Like that update, I was trying to get some footage of the places, but yeah, I'm in my rain jacket and I'm wearing my rain boots. I really like my rain boots. Oh yeah. Oh, they left me. How much do you love your child? You just leave me outside in a hurricane. Okay, bye.
Trees that have fallen, you can see the intensity of the winds actually pulling that out of the ground, tossing it onto its side. And of course, we're seeing damage like this playing out all across the east as well. Now, folks who help out in the aftermath of hurricanes.
So yeah, y'all, that I guess y'all just saw some of those clips from the news. New Bern is getting it pretty badly. Like, a lot of people are like on Facebook putting that like they're in their attics and things, which is really sad, and like they have kids. It's just really sad to think about, and I know that they're very stressed, especially those who have children, because then at that point you're not just worried about yourself, you're worried about another human being. So yeah, just been praying for them. They said the storm's pretty much at a standstill over the southeastern part of our state, so pretty much all the places that have already gotten hit pretty badly, and I guess it's just gonna continue to rain here. Yeah, but right now we're just trying to stay safe, stay in contact with family and friends, make sure they're safe. Have friends who are emergency personnel, so I'm trying to keep in touch with them to make sure that they're safe. I might have to go into work, not sure yet, but the roads look like they're okay, so I would be able to get there safely. But yeah, I guess I could have turned the light on, but I kind of don't feel like getting up right now. But yeah, so just trying to and keep all my electronics charged. So my phone is now at 88%. I've been trying to keep it at 80% or above, so yeah, I need to plug my laptop up again though, because I don't know that that's still charging. But yeah, I just wanted to update y'all right now. I think I'm just talking a bit too much, so I'm going to go. So y'all, just that quickly, I went downstairs. Like, this is literally like 3 minutes later from when I just recorded the last clip, and they have 4 confirmed deaths from the hurricane, and they're on the mayor of New Bern is talking on the news. So yeah, it's very sad, and yeah, it's just sad. But yeah, they're out there trying to rescue people. People are like in their homes or in their attics, so they're trying to rescue them. So thank you to all the people who are, you know, working hard, emergency personnel, volunteers, everyone. But I'll keep y'all updated, and we'll see. I may come back for another update today. If not, I'll see y'all in the next vlog, which will probably still have to do with Hurricane Florence, because I highly doubt that it'll be over.